Hey guys, this is Alison Z. Today I'm going to go through how to disassemble your KWA Kriss Vector bolt in order to install a Ratek N.P.A.S or a Dangerwerx flute to reduce your Kriss Vector to a CQB level. There's quite a few disassembly videos out there showing you how to pull the gun apart, so I won't spend too long, but basically you need to pull out the pins to get to the bolt. Once you have the pins out, just slide the front off. And the bolt assembly just comes out. Now this is the part that we're going to be working on to try and get in here to replace the flute. Okay, so I've just zoomed in so you can see what I'm doing. The first thing I need to try and do is get these two pins out here, and they're really small, so I really struggle to find something to get to them, so I just use a little bit of a jeweler's screwdriver flathead, so hopefully it pitches the sides. Tiny little things. There we go. Put these aside so I don't lose them. So you can see I killed the screwdriver doing that. So this is the really fun part, is trying to get these two little plates off. Now the first time I tried this, it took me about half an hour just to wedge and get these through. So I'm just going to stop the video and have a go at it. So the easiest way I found for this was to try and leverage between the nozzle and the side. That one's popped out nice and easy, as you can see. That time round, this one is starting to give me some headache already. There you go. So I've now managed to get them both out. Now the last time I did this, I lubed these up just to make it a bit easier for this, if I ever had to pull it apart or the installation I wasn't happy with. But that really is the hardest part. Okay, so with those two things out, the next thing I need to do is get this piece released. Again, there's a pin through here. So give my screwdriver another bit of a bashing and see if I can't move this out. Alright, so that's out. This is just pushed down. Like that. Now what we're going to do is pop that pin out, and I'm pretty much in. Because this is plastic, I'm a little bit more shy about how hard I hit things. That part's out. And that is my N.P.A.S. Right, so that's how I pull it apart. I'll quickly put it back together, and that should be it. You'd probably be better off with some better tools than what I've got floating around in my shed. A decent punch and a smaller hammer might help. Okay, so it goes in that way around. Make sure it clips in nice and tight, otherwise the pins won't hold it in place. Nice. Holds that. Then the two little end caps go on. There we go. Then these two short pins go back in. that's the bolt mostly back together. And now I'll just change the camera view and reassemble everything. You want the bolt with the closing knot at the top. That just slides neatly into the first run, or the one closest to the magazine well. Second part through there, like that. Slide it back in, add the pins. Oop. I am such a butterfinger. Last one. That's it. Well, that's it, it's back together. As you can see, it's not that difficult, just a little bit fiddly with those small pins, and if you've got clumsy fingers like me, you'll be dropping more time. Hopefully that helps you if you have to put one of those Ratec N.P.A.S or the Dangerwerx flute valve in to downgrade your Kriss. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching.